Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Edge 1000. First, power on your device by pressing and holding the power button on the left side for about 2 seconds until the screen illuminates. You'll then be guided through the initial setup process, where you can select your preferred language, set your time zone, and input your personal user profile details like weight and height. Don't forget to pair your smartphone via Bluetooth for seamless data transfer and smart notifications right on your handlebars. Navigating with your Edge 1000 is incredibly intuitive. From the main menu, tap Navigation to access options for creating new routes or loading courses you've already planned. The device comes with a preloaded Garmin cycle map, offering detailed road and trail information to guide your rides. You'll receive clear turn-by-turn directions and timely alerts, ensuring you stay on track. Plus, the innovative round-trip routing feature can generate up to 3 different route suggestions based on your desired distance, making exploration easy. To optimize your training, the Edge 1000 allows extensive data field customization. You can display up to 10 different metrics on each screen, ensuring all your vital information is visible at a glance. Easily pair your ANT Plus compatible sensors, such as heart rate monitors, speed sensors, and cadence sensors, to gather comprehensive performance data. Track key metrics like power output, current speed, and total distance covered. You can also set up custom alerts for heart rate zones, speed thresholds, or specific time intervals to keep your training focused and effective. The Garmin Edge 1000 offers extensive customization and connectivity. Personalize your device by creating multiple activity profiles, each with unique settings for different ride types, like road or mountain biking. Connect to Wi-Fi for effortless, automatic ride uploads to Garmin Connect, and seamless software updates. Garmin Connect provides in-depth analysis of your rides and a vibrant community to share your achievements. For even more functionality, explore the Connect IQ store to download additional apps, widgets, and data fields, truly tailoring your device to your needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.